Hey everyone, this is a 15-minute upper body workout to work your core, your back and arms. And you can do this at home without any weights. There's 21 exercises across 3 sets, 30 seconds on and 10 seconds of rest in between. Get ready on your mat and let's start the workout. While resting your knees on the mat, lower your body down slowly by bending at your elbows. Press up again to return to the starting position and repeat. Make sure your elbows does not flare out to the side. Great job guys, we have 10 seconds rest now and we'll move on to inchworm. While in a high plank position, walk backwards with your hands and then get back down into a plank. Rest and recover, flip over and sit on your mat. Tricep dip is next. While seated on the mat, lift your body up, working those triceps. Then lower yourself down slowly, feeling that burn as you give your triceps a good workout. Well done, short rest again, and we're gonna get into a high plank position for plank shoulder taps. While in a high plank position, tap your shoulders one at a time while keeping your core engaged. You're doing great guys, pull down is next. Just 3 more exercises and then we'll have a longer rest before the second set. While on your belly, lift your arms up, then as you exhale, pull your arms back.
Let's go, yeah. I kick tracks why they hate like that. Like hit him out the park with a baseball bat. And a home run when I write my facts. You ain't gon' win cause I always fight back. Make a TikTok, go and kick rocks. Wanna be what's the top, go take a wristwatch. You ain't big dog, you just big talk. You ain't gang, better leave where I get pissed off.
Nice work everyone. Rest up and down plank with arm raise is next. While in a high plank position, lower yourself down into a low plank, then get back up again. When you're back in a high plank, lift one arm up, alternating with the other, and then repeat the sequence.
I kick tracks why they hate like that. Get them out the park with a baseball bat. Get a home run when I write my facts. You ain't gon' win cause I always fight back.
Final exercise of the set, rest and get ready for body sole. While in a low plank position, gently rock your body forward and backwards while keeping your core, quads and glutes engaged. Go nice and slow and focus on those muscle groups. And that's the first set. If you need a longer break, you can pause the video here. Alright, time to start the second set. Get on your mat and let's start with plank row. While in a high plank position, lift your arm up high, bringing your elbows behind you. Then back down and repeat on the other arm. Great work everyone! Rest out and prone overhead is next. Start with your arms above your head, then gently lift it up a little while drawing a semicircle with your arms, bring them down to the side of your hips. Then bring them back to the starting position and repeat. Well done, rest and recover and move on to rotation. While in a low plank position, rotate to one side. Make sure your feet to head form a straight line, then go back down into a low plank again and repeat on the other side. 10 seconds rest once again and crab toe touches are next. Not long to go. While on all fours in the tabletop position, gently lift yourself up. Your butt should be off the mat, then touch your foot with your opposite hand, alternating between each opposite side.
Cause you hot as shit, nah, just she African. Not no bottom bitch, top notch out here. Love me like I love myself, love it when she smile at me. White teeth with a heart of gold, and I'ma put a diamond in it. Ring, 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 love calling me. Ring like the camera is free, when she calling me. Ring, 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 ring.
Rest up everyone, side plank pull down is next.
Stay down for me, eyes closed, arms out, flying, Red Bull, baby, give me wings.
While in a side plank, raise one arm up over your head, pulling down towards your waist while exhaling. And make sure your core is engaged and repeat those movements. Just 2 more exercises to go to end set 2. Rest and we'll work the other side.
All around free in a nurse circumference. When she round me, she come first and she quick. She say she feel my emotions when I just give thanks, can't believe we in the same bed. God do it best. Shout out to my angel, she a mess. Clean up when she stressed, never stressing me. Lucky please, I'm the luckiest. Feel it in my chest. Treasure you, I swear you a diamond. Ring, 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 ring. Love calling me. Ring like the camera is free when she calling me. Ring, 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 ring. Love calling me. Love calling me. And I ain't miss a call.
Final exercise of the set. Let's finish it off with bird dog. Get on all fours, then lift one arm and the opposite leg up, then bring them back down slowly, then repeat with the alternate side. Well done guys, that's set 2. Pause the video here if you need a longer rest.
I
Time to start the final set. Let's finish this workout. Get on your mat and get ready for dolphin planks. While in a low plank position, push your hips upwards using core muscles, forming an inverted V with your body. Then lower yourself back down into a low plank again and repeat. Great work guys, rest up and plank in and out is next. Not long to go guys, make sure you reach the end. Start in a high plank position and walk your feet in and out one at a time. Keep your core engaged. Ten seconds rest once again. Plank leg raise is next. Get into a low plank position. Raise one leg up, bring it back down slowly, and do the same with the other leg and alternate between the two. Rest up and get ready to flip around for shoulder tap. Flip over and sit on the mat, and now lift your butt off the mat, having one hand tap the opposite shoulders. Bring yourself back down and repeat the same movement with the other hand. Great job guys, 3 more exercises to go. You can stand or be on your knees for the remaining workouts. Arm circles is next. Extend your arms off to the side and draw imaginary circles. Make sure you keep your arms straight. Now let's rotate in the other direction. Quick rest once more and we'll move on to up pulses. Extend your arms off to the side and lift your arms upwards. Final rest and let's finish it off with down pulses. Same as before, press your arms downwards. And that's the workout. Great work on reaching the end. Hope your arms are feeling the burn. Drop me a comment down below and let me know how you went, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!